minute.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good. I am happy that you are appearing for Karnataka Bank interview on 25th of February, correct?
Yes, sir, you are correct.
Yeah. And incidentally, I'm extremely happy. First time a candidate is appearing online with me in YouTube from my own place, namely Mylapore.
Pleasure is mine, sir.
Excellent. Mylapore, which part of Mylapore are you staying?
Sir, I'm staying in Church Road, sir.
Ore bhai, up to you have come very closer to me. Today I was just going through that place for walking and all. Good, extremely good. What is your father?
Sir, my father is no more.
What was he doing?
He was doing export business, sir. He was as an export consultant.
Excellent. Okay. Now your mother is a homemaker or she is working?
She's a homemaker, sir.
How many siblings do you have?
I have a brother. He's working with Verify Digital in Bangalore.
Acha, is that software company?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, what are you doing? You are working in?
I'm working with Amazon Development Center as Senior Catalog Associate, sir.
Can you describe to us what is the nature of work you are doing?
Sir, actually, what we do is we are enriching the products what you see in Amazon website. We are making it easy for customer to buy. If there are any product related data are not available, we do add those things in site, sir.
Acha, good.
Which is my main role.
Excellent, excellent.
I have 5 years experience with Amazon, sir, and I have been worked with various teams. It's been half a decade in Amazon.
Really good. But then why do you want to shift over to Karnataka Bank? Why? Is the salary that you are getting is low here?
Salary is quite fine, sir, but I always had a passion to work with banking as most of my relatives are in bank. And moreover, I feel like bankers are like financial warriors who serve people. During COVID times, I have seen my family members going to bank and serving people. So I thought like I should make a contribution in banking sector.
No, but honestly, tell me what is the salary that you are going to draw will be more than what you are now drawing or less than what you are now drawing?
Salary would be quite high, sir. It would be quite high when compared to what I'm drawing now.
Then fine. Then it is fine. You opt for a change. What is your basic degree?
I have did an integrated course in MSc, sir. It is a direct PG, 5 years course.
Where did you study?
I studied in Coimbatore, sir. My native is Coimbatore. I did my school, college, everything in Coimbatore. Now working in Chennai.
Very good, very good, very good. You're staying here with your family?
Yes, sir. I'm staying with my family.
Good. Now, what do you know about banks?
Bank is an organization which accepts demand deposits and lends money on demand. We have various sectors in banking which help people to manage their account, take loans, and various other aspects like saving scheme and all.
No, but Vignesh, what you said was wrong.
Okay, sir.
Because you said banks accept demand deposits. Aisa nahi hai. Banks take even time deposits also.
Okay, sir.
Without your knowledge, you were telling banks accepts demand deposits.
Okay, okay, sir.
That is wrong. You should say banks accept deposits from the public.
Okay, sir.
And make advances to others. That is to those who need.
Okay, sir.
Please try. What is banking?
An organization which accepts deposits and lends money on demand, like advances on demand.
Advances to needy people.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Very nice. Now, you have gone through banking materials I have provided?
Yes, sir. I have. I'm just going through, sir.
Good. Just now, That means you can answer some of the questions.
Yes, sir. I would love.
Very good. So, in the case of banks,
Okay, sir.
the interest on SB account, how much is taxable? Beyond how much money is SB interest taxable?
Sir, actually, I don't have idea on that, sir.
The answer is no taxation in SB interest.
Fine, sir. I have made a note of it.
Very good. In the case of term deposits, when customers deposit money,
Yes, sir.
up to what amount is the interest given by banks exempted from income tax beyond which TDS has to be deducted? Earlier, it used to be 10%. Now, it has been reduced to 7.5% till
Yes, sir.
31st of March.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So, what is the amount up to which bank interest that is on fixed deposits is exempt from income tax?
I think it is 1 lakh, sir.
Wrong. It is
Okay, sir.
40,000 for people below 60 years
Okay, sir.
and 50,000 for above 60 years.
Okay, sir. I'll take a
Can,
note of
can
it,
you
sir.
please tell me about the provisions of, say, income tax as far as bank interest is concerned, based on what I told you?
Sir, you said the income tax there is no taxation for savings bank account,
Correct?
and for term deposits, if the minimum amount for taxation would be 40,000.
Where, in the case of age,
In the case of below 60 years,
very good. Above 60,
no taxation, sir.
excellent. Good. No, no, no,
Yeah.
no, 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 no. Above, sorry. In the case of people below 60, 40,000 and above is taxable.
Okay,
In
sir.
the case of 60 years and above, 50 and above are taxable. If
Sorry,
an
sir. I
old
didn't get you, sir.
if a person 65-year-old gets 45,000 interest only from the bank, no tax will be deducted.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If the person draws 55,000,
Okay, sir.
then 10% or 7.5% of his interest will be deducted
Okay, sir.
by as income tax.
Okay, sir.
Which bank do you have an account?
I have account with HDFC, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me who is the chairman of HDFC?
I don't know, sir. Actually, very sorry, sir.
No problem. Which branch of HDFC do you have an account?
I have account with T Nagar branch, sir.
T Nagar branch. Good.
Yes.
So, is it salary account?
Yes, sir. It is a salary account.
Oh, so there are no conditions like this much balance should be there and all that.
Yes, sir. It is like zero balance account.
Excellent. But yeah, I think Mr. Parekh is an associate, chairman of our promoter, chairman of a promoter HDFC.
Okay, sir.
We have to check up HDFC Bank. You please check it up and get to know that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Very good. So, what is the difference between HDFC
Okay, sir.
and the bank near your house, Indian Bank?
Sir, HDFC is an private bank, sir. While Indian Bank is an public sector bank which got recently merged with, Allahabad Bank got recently merged with Indian Bank. Yes, sir. It is both are actually commercial banks, sir. That's all I know about the difference, sir.
Indian Bank is a public sector bank, whereas HDFC is a private sector bank.
Private bank. Yes, sir.
Private sector bank. And
Yes,
the
sir.
balance requirements, minimum balance requirements in respect of Indian Bank will be lesser than the minimum balance requirements in respect of accounts with HDFC,
Yes, sir.
barring specialized accounts.
Okay, sir.
Barring specialized accounts. Yeah. Barring specialized accounts, the interest, I mean, the requirement of money balance to be kept in SB current account will be less in Indian bank. Okay,
Yes, sir. Okay.
very good. So, which aspect of banking are you very comfortable with? Where
Uh,
I can ask questions. Did you go
sir,
through the Karnataka Bank website?
I'm yet to do it, sir. I thought I could do it before the interview so that it would be easy for me to remember.
Yeah. Oh, not that way. You can read it now, and again you have
Okay,
to
sir.
read it again. This is not like
Okay.
university examination where you study
Uh,
2 days before and I remember.
okay,
Because
sir.
you must read, understand, interpret, find out what mistakes are you committing, then rectify them.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now coming to general banking,
Okay, sir.
can you tell me what is a debit card? What is a credit card?
Sir, debit card is like they both are called as plastic cards. Where in debit card we have our own money, what we have deposited in the bank,
Hmm.
we can withdraw it using debit card. And credit card is what the bank lends the money for us.
Hmm.
So we can use credit card for all the purchase purposes, which is applicable with the interest. We have to pay the credit card bill every month.
Supposing you don't pay credit card bill, what will happen?
If we don't pay credit card bill, then they will charge the interest. If we are not paying it for a long time, it would be termed as NPA,
Hmm.
and they will be handing over the loans to ARC, Asset Reconstruction Company.
You are going up to the extreme extent, not that way. They will take
Okay.
steps for recovery of the monies.
Yes, sir.
They will take steps for recovery of the monies, and the interest rate is very high, 3% per month.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is very high even.
And some of your colleagues who are working in Amazon, in their desire to get credit card, they will take, and sometimes they land themselves into problem by not
Yes,
paying the
sir.
dues.
Yes, sir. You are correct, sir.
Very good. Can you tell me the plus points of Amazon.in?
Like e-commerce is playing a major role in so everybody wants their product to be reached at the doorstep. So if we see the chart of e-commerce, it is gradually increasing. What we saw before 2 to 3 years, it is quietly increasing.
Hmm.
And even in the COVID times, people were afraid to get out of the house to buy those products. But these types of companies served people by delivering the products at their doorstep.
Acha, now I have a question. I'm not sure whether you can answer. See,
Yes, sir.
Amazon.in, Flipkart.com, they all
Yes,
give
sir.
discounts of 5%, 10% when we buy using HDFC cards, Bank of Baroda cards, then ICICI cards like that.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard this? Have you seen this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've seen this in this website.
Now, can you tell me how the customers or the banker, how the Amazon is
Okay, sir.
absorbing the 5%, 6% discount which they are offering to customers?
I'm
And
not completely sure about how it happens, but I actually think there would be some tie-ups with the bank to increase the sales, and in both the ways it would be benefited.
Mhm. No. In fact, I worked in bank. Still, I'm not sure how it works because in Indian
Okay.
bank we don't have any such scheme where they are offering discounts on using an Indian bank card. But when you have
Yes,
an
sir.
HDFC card, when you go and buy your cell phone for 14,000, you will
Yes,
get
sir.
a flat discount of 1,400.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
10% for
Yes, sir. Yes.
if you use HDFC card or Bank of Baroda cards, 5% like that. So that's okay. You
Yes.
please check up from people in your account, but you can't meet anybody. That's a problem. If you meet some
Yes.
person from that, please check it up.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Good. Now you said Karnataka Bank you are not gone through. I will ask general questions.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You told the difference between debit card, credit card. Can you tell
Yes,
me
sir.
what is KCC, which is very famous nowadays?
KCC is Kisan Credit Card, sir.
What is that?
Uh, Sorry, sir.
What is Kisan credit card? You may not know because you are a city boy.
Kisan Credit Card is given to farmers.
Hmm.
Recently, even in this budget, government has taken some initiatives to allocate a certified amount to farmers, where each farmer is getting around 6,000 rupees in their account.
Not in this budget. Even before the budget, they have agreed and they are paying 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 3 times.
Oh, okay, sir.
Very good. Doesn't matter. Now, in terms of deposits, there is
Okay,
a
sir.
concept known as nomination.
Yes, sir.
What is that called?
Nominee is while opening deposit or saving or whatever account, for few accounts they are giving nominee facility where we can add a person as nominee. In case of our absence, nominee would be having rights to take the amount from the bank, like by filing required procedures.
Not few accounts, in all deposit accounts.
Okay, sir.
And not in our absence. Supposing we go to America, can the nominee
Okay.
go and withdraw money?
I'm not sure about that, sir.
No,
Uh,
no. The nominee
okay,
can
sir.
draw the money only after the death of the depositor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to be very clear. Now,
Yes, sir.
tell us about KYC for opening of an account. What are the formalities to be complied with?
KYC is like know your customer.
Uh,
So for every
listen,
account, they check.
listen, Vignesh. KYC is like, no, is. Why are you
Okay, sir.
using that word like?
Okay, sir.
KYC is know your customer.
Know your customer.
Tell me.
So in KYC, the person who is opening the account need to provide details pertaining his address, Aadhaar information,
Hmm.
like PAN card information. These types of information would be required by banks to proceed with the customer.
Hmm.
And the only account which was not asking KYC was no frill account and BSBDA.
And that too for 6 months only.
Yes, sir. That too for it.
No, but the question given to you was for opening an account, KYC. So
Okay, sir.
your answer is not complete because you should have told we
Okay,
have
sir.
to give 2 or 3 photographs also to the bankers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And normally we give Aadhaar card, driving license, that's all okay. But yeah. So now, what is EKYC?
EKYC is electronic KYC,
Hmm.
where customers can use the online platform to fill in their KYC.
Good. What is CKYC?
I don't know.
Centralized KYC.
Okay, sir.
When you enter the details, companies enter the details in centralized KYC.
Okay, sir.
There is no need for them to give KYC again when they open accounts with another bank and all that. It
Fine,
is
sir.
readily
It is like
available.
one KYC for every bank.
Every bank and all that. But yeah, that is correct.
Okay,
Good.
sir.
Excellent. Now, what would you like to be
Okay, sir.
after 5 years from now?
After 5 years from now, I would like to have positive growth on my career graph,
Hmm.
and that's it, sir. I need to have a positive growth on my career graph.
Yeah, but you can enjoy and speak something more also.
Fine, sir.
And supposing I ask you what are the qualities you require in a girl who you are going to marry,
Okay, sir.
what is the
I'm
answer?
already married. Sir.
You're already married once, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, how old are you?
I'm 28, sir.
Excellent. Your wife is also working.
She's making business, sir.
She is making business.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. She is doing business.
She's doing business. Sorry.
Uh, can you tell me what is the expansion of NDTL? Nagpur, Delhi,
Uh,
Temple, London.
it is net demand time liability, sir.
Uh, what
So
is that?
they are like net demand and time liabilities refers to how they categorize the deposits.
Hmm.
Where recurring deposit and fixed deposits are termed under time liabilities.
Hmm.
Say CASA is termed under net deposits, sir.
No, 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 no. Wrong. Wrong, wrong,
Okay,
wrong.
sorry, sir.
Wrong. I am giving the link for that.
Okay, sir.
Net demand liabilities is demand and time liabilities, that is both
Okay, sir.
deposits,
Okay, sir.
minus deposits of our bank with other banks.
Oh, okay, sir.
Basic NDTL is demand and
Okay, sir.
time liabilities deposits of our bank, subtract
Okay.
deposits we have with other banks.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Best
Yes.
wishes. You can do still better.
Okay, sir.
Not that you did badly, because you're an engineering person working already in Amazon for quite some time. And as you said, half a decade.
Yes, sir.
You talked as if an old man, The old men only use the word decade and all that.
Okay.
5 years. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
At what age did you get married?
At 25, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
इतनी जल्दी का शादी कर दिया?
Sorry, sir.
At this young age, you got married.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Best wishes. You have a daughter
Thank you.
or a son now?
I have a son, sir.
Good. How old is he?
He's 1 year.
1 year. Good. Spend a lot of time with the son. Talk to him a
Yes,
lot.
sir.
Put him
Yes, sir. Yes,
questions.
sir.
Answer his questions. That will be good. Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
You did well, but
Okay.
you also know that you can do still better than what you did.
Sure, sir.
Am I
Sure,
right?
sure. Correct, sir. Correct.
Best wishes. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm calling another person.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning. Am I speaking to
Yeah, this is Indira Priyadarshini, sir.
Indira Priyadarshini? You are
Yeah, I'm
appearing
waiting
for,
for your call.
yeah, you are appearing for,
SBI CPO, sir.
oh, SBI CBO. Good,
Yeah.
excellent. 1 minute, I will close because this video is for Karnataka. I will just close this and I'll come
Okay.
on another